Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel for simple to follow guides and tutorials. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to log into your Shaw cable account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. What you need to do first is open up a browser of your choice and then search for Shaw cable login. Then select the first link and this will take you to Shaw Communications official login page where you need to enter your Shaw ID and your password. And once you've done that, you can select Remember Me if you don't want to keep on entering your ID and password every time you want to log into your Shaw account. And after that, simply select Sign In. And that's how easy it is to sign into your Shaw account. So give us a thumbs up if this video was helpful for you. Consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this. Please feel free to comment to let us know if you have any doubts. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.